In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an inventory in Airtable. We'll start from the Airtable homepage, pick a ready-made inventory template, and then tailor it to fit your items and workflows. First, open your browser and go to Airtable. If you're prompted to sign in, do that so your work saves to your workspace. On the left side of the screen, look for templates and apps and click it. This opens Airtable's gallery, which is a fast way to get a working base without building every table and field from scratch. From here, browse by category to get a sense of what's available. You'll see collections that group similar solutions together. This is helpful if you want to compare different inventory approaches like simple stock tracking versus asset management. Next, use the search bar and type inventory. Airtable will filter the gallery to show inventory-related options. You'll notice cards with names, short descriptions, and example screenshots so you can preview how the base is structured. Choose the option that matches your needs and click the card to open its details page. On this page, you can scroll through an overview, see the tables it includes, and glance at sample views such as items, vendors, or stock levels. When you're confident it's the right fit, click. Try this template, select the workspace where you want it to live, give it a clear name, and let Airtable create the base for you. Now, make your edits so the template fits your real data. Start by reviewing field names like item name, SKU, category, quantity on hand, location, cost, and supplier. Rename anything to match your terminology and adjust field types where needed. Use single select for categories, numbers for quantities, currency for costs, and attachments for product images or PDFs. If the template includes linked tables, such as vendors, keep those links. They make updates ripple through related records. Set sensible defaults like a primary currency and add a reorder point field if you restock items regularly. You can also create helpful views, a grid for data entry, a gallery for visual browsing, and a grouped view by location or supplier for quick counts. Add filters to show low stock items and sorts to surface best sellers. Enter a few sample records to confirm calculations and formatting look right, then remove the samples and import or paste in your real list. That's it. You've built an inventory in Airtable using a template and customized it for your workflow. Save your changes and you're ready to track stock with confidence.